Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying your identity. Make sure you know your CIF/customer ID and the mobile number linked to the account. Open PNB Net Banking or mobile app and log in using your credentials, or use the debit card plus ATM PIN flow if required. Once done, navigate to the Profile or Services section. This is where account-level controls live. Make sure your session is on a private network to prevent interception. That reduces replay or OTP theft risks. Next, go straight to Security or Profile Settings and look for Net Banking controls. PNB often lists active channels per account. Select the option to disable or deactivate Internet banking for the target account. That ensures online login is blocked while the account remains operational at branches and ATMs. You'll be prompted for OTP or secondary authentication. Enter it promptly and confirm. Doing this step removes session tokens and unlinks device authorizations, which prevents future logins until reactivation. Finally, once the disable completes, log out and clear browser cache or app data, then attempt a fresh login to verify net banking is blocked. If the system still allows access, immediately contact PNB Customer Care and provide the reference number you received when disabling. Escalate to the branch if necessary. If you see errors during OTP or confirmation, wait 5 minutes and retry from a different device. Sometimes propagation delays cause temporary inconsistencies. Keep your confirmation for future disputes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.